Hey everyone, welcome back. It's time to learn how to stop Windows 11 from autocorrecting misspelled words. If you find that Windows 11 is automatically correcting your spelling while typing and you would prefer to have full control over your text without interference, you can easily disable the autocorrect feature. This can be particularly useful if you're using technical jargon, specialized terms, or names that the system may misinterpret. That said, let's learn how to stop Windows 11 from autocorrecting your misspelled words. So first off, you have to hit the Start button and then choose the Settings app. And then you have to select Time and Language option in the left sidebar. And on the left hand side of the Time and Language settings, select the Typing option. And finally, you have to turn off the toggle right next to Autocorrect Misspelled Words. And you are all set. You have successfully disabled the autocorrection feature on your Windows device. You can always return to the same settings to enable it again if needed. And that's about it. If you found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy Windows tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a good time. Bye-bye.